In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pine script to TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the Pine editor, how to start a fresh script, and how to paste in your own code cleanly so it's ready to use. First, have a chart open and make sure you're signed in. Pine script is TradingView's built-in language for creating custom indicators and strategies, and everything you need lives inside the platform. On the right-hand side of the chart, look for the Pine option in the side panel. Click it to open the Pine editor. If you don't see it at first glance, it's usually represented by a small icon labeled Pine script or Pine editor. Clicking it will slide up an editor panel at the bottom of your screen. Inside the editor, you'll notice a toolbar along the top. Click the small drop-down arrow there to reveal the available options. This menu gives you quick access to templates and, most importantly, the ability to start something new from scratch, which is exactly what we want for clean, conflict-free code. Hover over Create New to bring up the choices. You'll see two common starting points. One is for an indicator, which plots visuals like lines, histograms, or signals on your chart. The other is for a strategy, which adds backtesting logic such as entries, exits, and performance metrics. If you're unsure which one you need, think of an indicator as something you view, and a strategy as something you can test with simulated trades. Select the option that matches your goal. For this walkthrough, choose the indicator option. TradingView will load a minimal starter template that includes the indicator, function, and a very simple plot. This stub is helpful for structure, but we're going to replace it with your own code. Before pasting, remove everything in the editor so nothing from the template conflicts with your script. The quickest way is to select All, Delete, and then paste your Pine script directly into the blank editor. This avoids duplicate declarations and version mismatches. After pasting, glance at the first line to confirm your script declares a version, such as Plash version 5, which tells TradingView how to compile it. If your script references inputs, styles, or security calls, keep an eye on the editor's messages at the bottom. They'll guide you if there's a typo or a missing argument. It also helps to give your script a clear title in the header and keep comments tidy so future edits are painless. That's it. Open the Pine editor, use the drop-down to create a new indicator, clear the placeholder code, and paste in your script for a clean start.